Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to buy a Binance account. First, you'll need to visit the official Binance website or download their mobile application. Look for the register or sign up button, usually found prominently on the home page. You'll then be prompted to enter your email address or phone number and create a strong password. Make sure to use a unique password for enhanced security, perhaps incorporating a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. This initial step is quick and sets the foundation for your crypto journey. After registration, you must complete identity verification, also known as KYC, to unlock full features and higher limits. This involves providing personal details and uploading a clear image of a government-issued ID, like a passport or driver's license. You may also need to complete a face verification. Once verified, you can fund your account. Binance supports various methods, including bank transfers, credit or debit cards, and digital wallets like Apple Pay or Google Pay. Choose the option most convenient for you to deposit funds. With your account funded, you're ready to make your first cryptocurrency purchase. Head to the Buy Crypto section, choose your preferred fiat currency, and select the crypto you wish to buy, such as Bitcoin. You can use a market order for immediate purchase or a limit order for a specific price. For security, always enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, using an authenticator app or a security key. Also, use a strong, unique password, and regularly monitor your account activity for any suspicious logins or transactions. Beyond basic trading, Binance offers advanced features like futures and options for experienced users looking for more complex strategies. You can also explore staking and earning programs to grow your crypto holdings passively, potentially earning a percentage yield on your assets. Binance Earn provides flexible and locked savings plans, allowing you to earn rewards on various cryptocurrencies. And hey, while you're optimizing your digital assets, don't forget to optimize your ride. Life's too short for a stinky car, grab little trees, black ice. Check the description for a link to that and other great deals we've curated just for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.